The fucker, stop playing with me. I am not playing. Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Bisola with Lynn. If it is your first time on my channel, welcome. Grab a seat and make yourself at home. And old subscribers, hi. Today we're going to be doing something really interesting and I hope that you like it. So I'm going to be showing you how to make your own underwear. Yeah, pant, whatever you call it. Just get right into it and remember to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, remember to subscribe. Just subscribe. So you want to start out by bringing out your favorite pant or underwear, and I really like this one, so I just folded it over like this and I am tracing all around it just as you see me do. Just trace all around it because I really like this pants. They're really comfortable and I just wanted to recreate it. So just keep on tracing all around. That should really go quick and easy. And once you have done that, you want to set aside your favorite underwear and now include seam allowances to it everywhere from the top to the sides, just everywhere. Seam allowances everywhere. You may want to, unlike me, take back your underwear where it belongs rather than just leaving it on the table. So, well, I'm just saying. So drafting it out on all pattern paper is just helpful to help you create like tens of them using the same templates, and now you just want to cut it out. Again, that should go really quick and easy. And once you have done that, this is what you should have, and you want to write that portion should be on the fold, and you're cutting out two of this with that on the fold. Now it's time to cut out your fabric using the pattern paper as a guide, and you will have two of those, one and another. Now you want to open it up and place it right sides together and put a couple of pins along the sides just so that you're not moving, and you want to take it to the sewing machine and sew it. You must use a stretchy fabric because if your fabric doesn't stretch, I am not sure how you will get into your pants. Now I'm at the sewing machine and I'm just sewing, and I should mention that I'm using a zigzag stitch to sew rather than a straight stitch, just so that it stretches with the fabric, which should be stretchy. Now this is the top of my pant, which is more like the waist. You want to open it up, grab it like that, like you see me do, and open it up. And now we're looking at the bottom of our pant and we're about to sew the inseam together. You just want to match it together just as you see me do, and take it to the sewing machine and sew it all the way. And once you've done that, you should have something like this. And again, I'm back at the top of my waistband and I'm just going to fold it over one time and another time, take it to my sewing machine and run a zigzag stitch all around to create the waistband. And for the hem of the pant, is it? Well, for the hem, you just fold it over one time and another time. I don't know, I was feeling like I should press my underwear. So I just use my iron to press it in. Just sew it again with a zigzag stitch. I went ahead and added an elastic band to my pant, and you're done with your pant really. And in the unlikely event that someone asks you, what are you wearing? You can confidently say that I am wearing me. So honey, make as many as you would like. Thank you for sticking around until the end. I would really like to know in the comments, would you ever attempt to make your own underwear or would you pass on it? Let me know. For me, if I found a fabric that I like, why not? They're super comfortable and I'm just not going to wear it to show you for obvious reasons. So let me know if you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up, share. You don't even have to be a sewer to try this project. Try it for your loved ones, by that your family or your sister, your baby, your, I don't know, just try it. That's it for today. You could check out my previous tutorial on other sewing projects that might interest. So today we're going to be doing this. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and I will see you in time for another video. You stay safe. Bye.